Alright, good morning guys. Today is Saturday. It's May 29:30 in the morning. Yeah, so it's been so slow since last week guys, and the weather now is bad. Hopefully lots of order. Yes, but before I go outside I have to get my jacket guys. Yes, so I have to cover myself, and then I have to wear my hat. Yes. Okay, so I have to get my jacket before anything else, guys. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, I have a lot of jacket here. I have the blue one. I have for the night one. It's gonna be reflect at the night. When you cross the road, it's good to be used. You are visible to the motorists. Yeah, this one is good. Yeah, and the one is too cold. This is for the winter. The other one. But this is my favorite jacket, the red one. Because when it's rainy, it's gonna be dry right away. Yeah, it wasn't take too long when you get wet. So this one is good. Right. That's it. Got my jacket.
Moments later.
All right. Got our first order, guys. It's 2.6 for $8. It's McDonald's. It's a good order. Yeah, let's go take the order guys. I hope it's gonna be ready and it's gonna be busy today. Okay, we're here now at McDonald's. Hello. Morning. Take one. 6827. Thank you.
443.
Okay. So drop off my first order and they pay me. The base pay is $4.88. So the tip is more than $3. It coming after an hour. So before I drop off the order, there's two orders coming to my app, and it says 6 kilometers for $11, and the other one is is still bad too. So it goes to downtown, so I decline it. So I think we're gonna go back to McDonald's because you see it. It's a lot of people and they're getting busy now. Yeah, so let's go. Got my second order. It's been a long to get my order again. So it's 10:41. It's a Starbucks. No, it's a Green Juice House. It's here. I left to McDonald's because I don't get anything there. Maybe a lot of drivers around in that area, so I changed my spot. So it's $7 and for 1.7 kilometers. Morning. I got a ratio for Uber. Oh, I think this one. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Every day.
The rain never stops. I don't wear a proper shoes today. It's getting wet now. I think I have to change my shoes when I got home. Deliver this one very quick. Croatia. Morning, sir. I'm good. So it's hard to park. I parked in the middle. Yeah, just this one very quick. Okay, enjoy.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
You're welcome. So okay, got my third request, guys. It's $6 for 4 kilometers. Yeah, so this is it's a bagel. It's a frame roast bagel. Yes, I always pick up this this bagel house. It's good. Sometimes they give you a nice tip. So let's go pick up this order, guys.
Why?
Morning. Andrea. Uber. Yes. I think this one. You're welcome. Sorry. Yeah. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, so I got a request now, $12.05 for how many kilometers is that? Yeah, so 5 kilometers. It's California sandwiches. I may think about it. I may take it or not. So no. Yeah, it's gone. So guys, I'm here at Kitchen Hub. Yeah, so when it's busy, a lot of drivers here. Yeah, so there's another request as $13.05 for 10.7 kilometers. Absolutely not. So again, there's a $15.07 for 2 order, but it's 10 kilometer, guys. Tim Horton. There's another one. It's 2 order for $17.50 for 8.7 kilometers, but it's 2 order, guys. What about you? You gonna take it? Yeah, so it's busy, guys, but a lot of trash orders. Yeah, I don't take it. I always decline. So there's the other one. It's money. $25, 50 cents for this is 2 orders, but it's 12 kilometers going to Lake Shore. Yeah, some driver they take it, then it's money. How many big order comes to me? Like there's $30, $17. You know, I don't like it. I don't want to go there. Lake Shore. Yes, it's gone.
Later.
Oh, restaurant is not busy for the customer, but I hope Uber is gonna be busy. Morning. It's Uber pick for Jacob. Yes. Meet you. Yeah, so got this is my fifth order, I think, fourth or fifth, so $8 for 2.6. Yeah, so it's very near, guys. Let's take this order. This one is ready. So. Hi, good morning. I think my order is ready. Hi, how are you? It's ready now. It's Matt N. Yeah. It's busy today. I did a lot of declines.
Slow press.
No, but I have a lot of orders, but it's too far. Like Lake Shore, I don't go far. Yeah, I decline. But some drivers they take it. But I want to be here.
I watched your video.
Yeah.
I subscribed.
Yeah, thank you. So I hope it's gonna be busy soon, right? I'm gonna come back here. I like to go around here. So anyway, see you your next vlog, yeah?
Next vlog we will.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nope.
Hi. Okay. Come back again, okay? Yeah, bye. Hi, good morning. It's Matt for Matt, right? Okay, enjoy your food, sir. You too. Bye. Hello. You're welcome. So, this is $12, guys, for 4.9 kilometers. So, I forgot to screenshot. So, I think this one is done. Hi, Uber po Kelsey. Thank you. Okay, so got the order. Thanks, man. Morning. Oh, it's afternoon. Anyway, rain is stopped now. Anyway, Kelsey, right? Okay, enjoy your food. You're welcome. Bye.